Welcome to one kanji a day. Today a colorful special. 10 kanji for colors. Learn these and you can describe almost anything you see, from a red torii gate to a cup of green tea. And read them on signs and labels too.
I catch a color word here and there when someone says it, but on the page, they still look like a wall of strokes to me.
By the end of this, they will look like paint on a palette. And you will pick up one simple pattern that turns most of these colors into describing words. Let us start with the word color itself.
This first one, with the little figure leaning at the top, that is the word for color.
That is iro, color itself. It is the word you reach for whenever you talk about any shade at all.
Iro, color. Does it show up in bigger words?
Constantly. Double it up and you get iro, all kinds, all sorts. One of the most useful little words you will ever learn.
Now the colors themselves. This one feels warm somehow. Red?
Red it is, aka, and here is the pattern to hold on to for the whole video. Akai on its own is the color as a noun.
So how do I say a red thing like a red car?
You add an I. Akai turns it into a describing word. Akai kuruma, a red car. Noun aka. Adjective akai.
This next one. Blue. Going by the cool feel of it?
Blue. Ao. And aoi for a blue thing. The same pattern again. But ao has a secret worth knowing.
A secret? Go on.
Long ago, ao covered green as well. That is why a green traffic light in Japan is still called ao shingo, the blue light, even today.
This one is much simpler, just a few strokes. White?
White. Shiro. And shiroi for something white. You will also meet it in hakumai, white rice, where it reads haku.
So the same character can sound different in other words?
Exactly. And that is normal here. Shiro on its own, haku inside a compound. Same color, two voices.
And this darker, busier one has to be black.
Black, kuro, and kuroi for a black thing. That completes your first set of true colors.
Red, white, black. They all seem to behave the same way.
They do. Aka, shiro, kuro, and add an I to each for akai, shiroi, kuroi. Learn one, and you have learned three.
This next color looks like it wants a longer word.
Good instinct. Yellow is almost always kiiro, yellow plus the color word, rather than the single character alone.
So I should just learn kiiro as one piece?
Yes, kiiro for yellow, and kiroi for a yellow thing. The lone key is rare, so let the whole word carry it.
Now green, I hope. This one has a bit more going on.
Green, midori. You can say midori on its own, or midori-iro to be extra clear that it is a color.
Wait, if this is green, why was blue borrowing green earlier?
Because midori is the newer word. Green only split off from ao later, so the oldest phrases, like that traffic light, kept the blue name.
This one looks almost like a little plant under a roof.
Sharp eye. It grows on a bush. This is cha, and it pulls double duty. Ocha is tea, the drink you are offered everywhere.
So where does a color come in?
Tea is brown, so chido, tea color, is exactly how you say brown. One kanji, your cup and your color, at once.
These last two look like a pair. This first one, what is it?
Look closely. It is the sun and the moon placed side by side, the two brightest lights in the sky. It means bright, akarui.
That is a lovely way to build a character.
It is one of my favorites. Akarui, bright, and akari on its own is a light, the lamp that pushes back the dark.
And its partner must be the opposite. Dark.
Dark. Kuroi, the natural other half of akarui, bright and dark, the last pair on your palette.
Does this one hide in any everyday words?
One you will love as a student. Anki, learning by heart, literally studying in the dark, with no book in front of you.
Color. Red, blue, white, black, yellow, green, brown, bright and dark. I could describe almost anything now.
That is the whole palette. 10 kanji and the simple trick of adding an I to paint the world around you. One kanji a day, and soon you read the whole world in color.